Hello children, I've got another letter for us to learn. It's a bouncy sound and it sounds like this. T, t, t. This is what the letter T looks like. And to help us write this letter, we say down the tower, across the tower. But before we go on to our writing, we're going to have a look at some items that Mrs du Feu has found around her house. Let's start with T. T, t, tea bag. T, t, toothbrush. T, t, toothpaste. T, t, tweezers. T, t, teddy. T, t, tin. Right, let's have a go to write the letter T. So we start at the top and we say, as we write, down the tower. But this time, before I finish my letter, I take my pen off and I go to the middle and say across the tower. So, down the tower, across the tower, down the tower, across the tower, down the tower, across the tower, one more, down the tower, across the tower. Thank you for watching. Children, the next time you go out with your mummies and daddies, why don't you look around the environment and see if you can find items that start with the letter T, T, T. If you do, let me know what they are. Thank you. Bye-bye, everybody.